Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you an aspiring tech enthusiast and ready to dive into an exciting software development role with one of the top global innovators? So stay tuned as we take you through a fantastic opportunity with Entity Data for the position of Associate Software Development Engineer. So the job is located in Chennai and it's at Entity Data. But before diving in, don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like our video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done till now, and also turn the notification bell so that you never miss any update from our end. So now let's understand a little bit about the role. So Entity Data is basically looking for an enthusiastic and dynamic associate software development engineer to join their diverse and forward-thinking team. So this is going to be an entry-level role designed to kickstart your career in software development with hands-on experience and valuable exposure to innovative technologies. So let's directly jump to the responsibility section for this particular role. So as you can see on your screen, they have mentioned some of the key responsibilities once you join Entity Data as software development engineer. So it will be like something like designing, developing, and testing software systems or applications for software enhancement and new products. Working in a microservices environment with APIs, AI/ML algorithms, working with collaborating with product team to ensure smooth software delivery, writing, updating, and maintaining documentations, assisting in prototyping and showcasing software to clients. And also your daily data at Entity Data will include like crafting, building, debugging large scale distributed system. So you'll also assist in executing automated testing and working on cutting edge technologies like cloud computing, machine learning, and microservices architectures. So this is all kind of your responsibilities, going to be your responsibilities at Entity Data. So let's discuss little bit about the skills and competencies required for this role. So basic understanding of AWS, GCP, or Azure, either of them is fine with very good touch and programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, and microservices architecture knowledge is also required, along with API development knowledge, plus Agile methodology knowledge, and also the knowledge of CI/CD pipeline, and along with the other test-driven development knowledge like DevOps, for example, Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipeline knowledge as well that I already mentioned. So to excel in this role, you'll need a basic understanding of cloud architecture, programming languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript, along with the familiarity with microservices APIs, and passion for learning and improving your skills in a fast-paced, dynamic environment. So these are the kind of skills required for this particular role. Now let's come to the education and minimum qualification for this role. So you must have a bachelor degree in computer science related field, along with a certification in Azure. If it is there, it is preferred. If you don't have, still it's fine. As a fresher, you can apply for this particular role. And entry level experience, if you have any in software development, that is again preferred role. That is bonus for you. So if you have a bachelor degree in computer science engineering and some hands-on experience in software development, either in terms of internship or even in full-time experience up to 1 or 2 years, then this is going to be a perfect starting point for you. And certification like Microsoft Azure is going to be a plus. And if you have experience in Agile methodology, again, it's going to be a plus for you. So that's it. Let's understand a little bit about the company. So Entity Data is basically a $30 million company. We own board is technical excellence and innovations with over 50 countries, diverse exports. It's a place where you can grow, thrive, and make a meaningful impact in the tech industry. And not just that, if you are ready to make an impact at Entity Data, you'll be a part of dynamic, innovative team that pushes boundaries and works with cutting edge technologies. So this associate software development engineer role offers an excellent opportunity for growth, skill building, and career enhancement. So don't miss out. Apply today. The apply link is given in the description. I have mentioned the direct link for the application. So do check it out and apply as soon as possible so that you never miss this incredible opportunity. And that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be interested in this particular role. Drop a comment if you have any questions related to Java application or any other question related to tech and all this. So that's it. I will see you in the next video.